The ultimate tragedy of life is an aimless life, led astray by vanities. A life with no fulfillment, and a life with no understanding of His purpose.
Your life is just a moment in the context of time. You only have one life to live, which will determine your eternal destiny. In such challenging times, how can we live lives worthy of our high calling in Christ? How can we be true, steadfast, loyal to God, and a blessing to others? God has called us with a holy calling, not according to our works, but according to His own purpose. God has called you for this moment. You've been given a mission and a purpose by God Himself. When your purpose in life is found, you're able to move forward in life with confidence and certainty because your life has a reason and purpose for living. At our next AYM Carolina retreat, from March 26th through the 29th, we will dive deep into the theme purpose. At this retreat, you'll hear powerful, reviving messages, experience hands-on community outreach, and fellowship with other young people who share a passion for Christ. If you want to grow in your spiritual connection, stand loyal to Christ, purpose in heart, and grounded in your mission, experience this and more at our next AYM Carolina retreat.